Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this mindful minute, we will be practicing a breathing technique called square breathing or box breathing. This breathing will help both our bodies and our minds to relax. The technique is simple. You only need to count to 4. We will breathe in deeply for 4, hold our breath for 4, then breathe out for 4, and hold our breath again for 4. 4 in, hold, 4 out, and hold. Easy. As we do this breath, try to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's try it. Breathe in through your nose for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Well done. How did that feel for you? Did it feel hard or easy? Let's try it again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Good. Take a couple breaths normally and just relax. It's time to try again. Ready? Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And relax. Breathe normally. This time, we will try 2 box breaths in a row. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. Again. In. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Relax. Breathe normally. Use the rest of this meditation to relax, be still, and enjoy the music. If you want, you can try a couple box breaths on your own. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.